Nathan Shepard, who's going to show us some new visualization capabilities in 3D as well as new analytical capabilities in 3D.
Thanks, you. Am I on yet? Am I on? I'm good. Okay, so we've done some 2D geodesign. Let's do some 3D geodesign. So at 9.4, we have a complete system for 3D GIS. That's create, maintain, analyze 3D GIS data. And that includes doing geodesign.
Where's that base map from?
You're jumping in.
Sorry, man.
The first thing you'll notice, if you can wait, is that we're using the same base map, the same world topo base map as our background for this globe. And if I zoom into Philadelphia, which is our study area, and we're getting close, you can see that we've got building footprints. So Philadelphia is one of these cities where we've worked really closely with the city and got some really good data and improved it. And in Philadelphia, we actually go down to 1 to 200 scale with the display of this topo map. So there's 4 main elements to having a good virtual city. And the first element is a great topo map, and we've got that. The second element is imagery. And as Bernie showed, there's a whole bunch of freely available data that's really good. Here's the iCubed World Imagery Service. But if you have better data, like 4-inch imagery for Philadelphia, you can incorporate that. You can see how much detail you can get here for your city. The third element is elevation surface. And again, there's a whole bunch of free data available through ArcGIS Online. Mostly it's 30 meter or 10 meter, depending on where you are, which might be useful in a lot of cases at large distances. Once you get close to the ground, you really need high quality elevation surface as well. So for Philadelphia, we have a 1 meter DEM surface, and you can see that what appears to be a dead-end railroad is actually going into a tunnel. We can see that. The next element is buildings. And we'll see them coming in here. So in this case, the data was created from OpenFlight by a business partner and then imported into the GIS for display. But it can come from many other sources, CityGML and BIM, IFC, and so on. Other data formats are supported. And once it's into the GIS, then you can start building a city. So here we are at the top of the Rocky Balboa Steps at Philadelphia with a skyline view. And we can cruise down the Ben Franklin Parkway and see our city. We'll just come into Logan Circle. We can start bringing in other data. So these are the 4 main elements for a virtual city, but you might have other information such as street parked cars, street furniture such as lights, and vegetation like these trees. Now the important thing about this is that all of this data is GIS data. It's stored as point features, and we're just using symbology to display it in 3D like this. That means that all of these features can still participate in maintenance programs, routing trucks out for maintenance programs or tree pruning programs, and it all works seamlessly with your visualization environment.